Guys, after months of speculations and countless leaks, we finally have the first official look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Guys, the outlet was apparently sent a promotional banner for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Guys, a well-known leaker Ice Universe says that the Samsung has beautified the product and the real Fold 5 is not as thin as the picture implies. As countless leaks had indicated, the Samsung Z Fold 5 looks like a very modest upgrade over the Fold 4, but Samsung appears to have made an important change. The company Nextbook style foldable is rumored to use a new water drop hinges. While it may not make the inner screen crease noticeably less prominent, it will allow the phone to fold flat. Guys, when the Fold 4 is folded, there is a small gap between two halves. The Galaxy Fold 5 new hinges seems to have taken care of that problem. The leaked promo image shows a phone which folds without leaving a space in between. This not only give him redefined and slimmer look, but will probably also make Fold 5 easier to hold. Guys, the leaked picture also suggested that the phone will have slimmer bezels, but those are about all the visual changes we can expect. Guys, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be powered by Galaxy S23 series custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Guys, like the outgoing model, the new iteration will also support the S Pen, but it won't have a compartment for the stylus. Some Samsung employees are not happy with the Z Fold 5 design, so whether it will be good enough to make it to the list of the top foldable phones of 2023 remains to be seen. But what do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box below, and do not forget to watch amazing updates regarding Google Foldable. At the last, if you got some knowledge from this video, then please press the like and subscribe button.